Are you tired of struggling with camping chairs that never seem to get it right? Maybe they're too bulky, uncomfortable, or just don't hold up on those long outdoor trips. Well, in today's video, we're going to solve that problem for you. We've rounded up the top 5 camping chairs for 2025, each chosen for its unique features, durability, and overall comfort. Whether you're a minimalist hiker looking for something ultra-portable or someone who enjoys a little extra luxury by the campfire, we've got something for every adventurer. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. Let's dive in. Number 5. Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair with 4-can Cooler. The Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair with 4-can Cooler is the perfect choice for those seeking both comfort and convenience on their outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying a day at the beach, this chair is designed to enhance your relaxation experience. One of its standout features is the built-in cooler that holds up to 4 cans, keeping your beverages chilled and easily accessible. No more rummaging through a cooler bag for your drink. It's right by your side in the chair's armrest. The seat itself is generously cushioned for extended comfort, ensuring you can enjoy hours of relaxation. The back of the chair is designed to support your posture, allowing for comfortable lounging. For added convenience, the Coleman Quad Chair features a cup holder, perfect for holding your drink securely. The durable steel frame can support up to 325 lbs, making it sturdy and reliable. Side pockets provide extra storage space for small essentials like keys, phones, or snacks. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry, thanks to its compact folding design and included carrying bag. Whether you're sitting back to watch a game or relaxing by the fire, this chair makes it easy to enjoy your time outdoors. It's built to last and backed by a 1-year limited warranty, reflecting Coleman's commitment to quality. The price point, typically around $44.99, offers great value for a chair with so many functional features, making it a popular choice for casual campers and outdoor lovers alike. Number 4. Helinox Chair 2-Rocker. The Helinox Chair 2-Rocker offers the perfect combination of comfort and portability for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing only 2 lbs 10.5 Oz, this lightweight chair is ideal for backpackers and campers who need reliable seating without the bulk. Despite its minimal weight, the Chair 2-Rocker is surprisingly durable, supporting up to 320 lbs. The chair features a collapsible frame made from high-quality DAC aluminum, known for its strength and lightweight properties. The easy-to-use rocking mechanism provides a gentle, soothing rocking motion, ideal for relaxing after a long day on the trail. The high backrest offers excellent support, and the deep seat ensures maximum comfort during extended sitting. Additional features like integrated side pockets give you convenient storage for small items like phones, snacks, or maps. For extra comfort, the chair includes a headrest flap that can hold a jacket or pillow, offering head support when needed. When not in use, the chair packs down into a compact 17.5 x 5 x 4.5 case, making it easy to carry in a backpack or duffel bag. It also includes a daisy chain webbing handle for simple transport. Priced at $199.95, the Helinox Chair 2-Rocker is a high-end outdoor chair designed for those who value comfort and portability. Its build quality, lightweight design, and ergonomic features make it an excellent choice for any outdoor adventure. Number 3. REI Co-op Camp Xtra Chair. The REI Co-op Camp Xtra Chair is a versatile, durable, and highly comfortable option for anyone looking for a reliable outdoor chair. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a picnic, this chair offers the comfort and functionality you need. With a weight capacity of 400 lbs, this chair is built to accommodate a wide range of users. The durable steel frame is strong and stable, designed to withstand the wear and tear of regular outdoor use. One of the standout features of the Camp Xtra Chair is its armrests, which are equipped with integrated cup holders. These cup holders are large enough to fit a variety of drink containers, including bottles, cans, and mugs. The chair also includes a side stash pocket, which is perfect for keeping small items like books, phones, or maps close at hand. This makes it easy to stay organized while enjoying the outdoors. When it's time to pack up, the chair folds down into a compact size and can be easily stored in the included stuff sack. This makes the chair easy to transport whether you're heading to the campground or the beach. The chair's cushioned seat and backrest provide great comfort even during extended sitting sessions. Priced at $60, the REI Co-op Camp Xtra chair strikes a great balance between affordability and quality, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Yeti Hondo Base Camp Chair. The Yeti Hondo Base Camp Chair is a premium outdoor chair designed to deliver comfort, durability, and performance in even the most rugged conditions. Constructed with a strong aluminum frame, the chair supports up to 500 lbs, making it one of the most sturdy and reliable options available. The chair features a breathable mesh seat and backrest, which helps keep you cool and comfortable, even in warmer weather. The large, deep seat offers plenty of space, allowing you to sit back and relax in a fully supported position. The Hondo Base Camp Chair is built for easy use, with a large cup holder that accommodates Yeti's Rambler tumblers and other similarly sized bottles and mugs. This thoughtful feature ensures your drink stays secure and within easy reach. Additionally, the chair's design includes a high backrest, providing full support for your neck and back. The strong, wide feet prevent sinking into soft ground, making it ideal for use on beaches, lawns, or campsites. The chair packs up quickly and includes a hauler handle for easy transport. Whether you're lounging by the campfire or relaxing at a sporting event, the Yeti Hondo Base Camp Chair offers unmatched stability and comfort. Priced at $300, it's an investment for those looking for the best in quality and design, making it a top choice for those who demand durability and style in their outdoor gear. Number 1. Nemo Stargaze Luxury Recliner Chair. The Nemo Stargaze Luxury Recliner Chair is the ultimate in outdoor relaxation, designed to provide maximum comfort and ease during your adventures. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a quiet evening outdoors, this chair offers a luxurious experience that sets it apart from the competition. One of the most unique features of the Stargaze recliner is its smooth rocking motion, which allows you to gently swing back and forth for ultimate relaxation. The chair's recline feature is just as impressive, with an auto-reclining mechanism that adjusts to your preferred sitting angle. The deep recline is perfect for stargazing or simply enjoying the view. The chair is built with a low center of gravity, ensuring stability on a variety of surfaces, including sand, grass, and uneven terrain. Its frame is made from durable aluminum, which is both strong and lightweight, while the non-absorbent mesh fabric ensures comfort and breathability. A generously padded headrest can be easily adjusted, offering support for a wide range of body types. The chair also features 2 cup holders for added convenience, keeping your beverages close at hand. The Stargaze recliner is easy to transport, thanks to its lightweight design and compact folding ability. It even comes with a convenient carrying bag. Priced at $250, the Nemo Stargaze Luxury Recliner Chair is a premium outdoor seating option that delivers an unmatched combination of comfort, functionality, and portability.